Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wireless meat thermometers that are available on the market for their crew quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Nego Gore Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer, the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $66.99. This thermometer offers impressive value for its price, featuring a dual-sensor ceramic probe that monitors both internal and ambient temperatures. The thin probe design maintains the integrity of your meat, ensuring that you get perfect results every time. With Bluetooth 5.2 technology, you can monitor your cooking progress from up to 432 feet away, making it ideal for backyard barbecues or even indoor cooking. The design is sleek and lightweight, with a black finish that gives it a modern look. The ceramic handle adds a touch of heat resistance and durability. It connects seamlessly with the companion app available for iOS and Android, which provides preset temperature recommendations, real-time monitoring, and the ability to save your cooking history. However, the thermometer has a limited internal temperature range of up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which might not suffice for high-heat grilling enthusiasts. While it's not the most advanced thermometer on our list, the Nego Gore excels in ease of use and portability. The 300-hour battery life on a single charge is a standout feature, especially for long cooking sessions like smoking. It's perfect for casual cooks and beginners looking for an affordable yet reliable wireless thermometer. That said, advanced users might miss features like Wi-Fi connectivity or broader temperature ranges. Pros: it's affordable, simple to use, and highly portable. Cons: limited temperature range and fewer advanced features. At number 4, we have the RoUo Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer with dual probes. This mid-tier thermometer is designed for those who enjoy precision and convenience. The RoUo features advanced Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, offering a range of up to 200 feet. With dual ultra-thin probes, it allows you to monitor 2 dishes simultaneously, making it a great choice for multitasking during grilling or smoking sessions. The design is functional, with a large, easy-to-read digital display. It feels sturdy and is equipped with IP67 waterproof probes that are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. The battery performance is another highlight. It provides over 35 hours of use on a full charge, and even a quick 1-minute charge gives you hours of operation. While it doesn't offer unlimited range like some premium models, the combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi ensures you can monitor your cooking from other rooms or outdoor spaces. The RoUo excels in ease of use, thanks to its intuitive app that includes preset temperature recommendations and smart alerts. However, its shorter range and slightly bulkier design, compared to higher-end models, might be a drawback for some. Overall, it's an excellent choice for home cooks who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Pros: dual probes, excellent battery life, and smart app features. Cons: limited range compared to premium models and slightly heavier build. Coming in at number 3 is the ThermoPro 650 feet wireless meat thermometer, a versatile and reliable choice for those who value stability and range. This thermometer features a best-in-class Bluetooth chip, offering a remarkable range of up to 650 feet. Equipped with 2 probes, it allows you to monitor 2 different dishes, or a dish and grill temperature simultaneously, making it ideal for family gatherings or large barbecue parties. Design-wise, the ThermoPro is compact yet sturdy, with a clear digital display that shows real-time temperature readings. It's rechargeable and certified by the NSF, ensuring food safety and environmental friendliness. The companion app is easy to set up and doesn't require registration, letting you customize target temperatures and pre-alarms without a hassle. However, the lack of Wi-Fi connectivity might be a limitation for users who want remote monitoring from greater distances. Its high accuracy of plus or minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit and wide temperature range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit make it a dependable tool for a variety of cooking styles, from smoking to grilling. While it's not the most feature-packed option, the ThermoPro stands out for its incredible range and ease of use. Pros: outstanding Bluetooth range, intuitive app, and NSF certification. Cons: no Wi-Fi connectivity and fewer sensors compared to premium models. At number 2, we have the Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer with sub-1G technology. This high-performance thermometer is designed for serious cooks who demand precision and reliability. With a groundbreaking unobstructed range of up to 3,000 feet and Wi-Fi connectivity for unlimited monitoring, this thermometer gives you the freedom to move around without losing track of your food. The design is robust, featuring a standalone display base that works independently of the app. This is a huge plus for those who don't want to rely solely on their smartphones. The probes are NIST certified with an accuracy of plus-minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your dishes are always cooked to perfection. Plus, the IPX8 waterproof rating makes it dishwasher safe, a time saver for post-cooking cleanup. The Thermomaven is perfect for high-heat grilling, with standing temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're smoking brisket or searing steak, this thermometer delivers exceptional performance. While it's slightly more expensive, the combination of cutting-edge technology, high durability, and accurate readings makes it a worthwhile investment for avid cooks. Pros: incredible range, high temperature resistance, and standalone base. Cons: higher price point and bulkier design. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Thermomaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer, priced at $149.99. This premium thermometer is the ultimate choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts. With its standalone display base and Wi-Fi connectivity, it offers the best of both worlds. You can monitor your cooking directly on the device or via the companion app from anywhere in the world. What sets this thermometer apart is its NIST-certified 6-sensor precision, providing an incredible accuracy of plus-minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. The 2 ultra-thin probes are perfect for monitoring multiple dishes simultaneously while maintaining the integrity of your proteins. It's also built to handle extreme temperatures of up to 752 Fahrenheit, making it ideal for all cooking styles, from low and slow smoking to high-temperature grilling. The Thermomaven is designed for convenience, with a quick 2-minute charge delivering 2 hours of operation and a full base charge lasting over 24 hours. Its IPX8 waterproof rating ensures easy cleanup, and the app offers comprehensive control over temperature settings and alerts. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its unmatched range, advanced features, and build quality make it the best wireless meat thermometer available today. Pros: NIST-certified accuracy, unlimited range, and long-lasting battery life. Cons: premium price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.